Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to disable two-factor authentication on GoDaddy. Alright, let's begin. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and heading to your dashboard. Once there, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Under your avatar, you will see an option labeled View next to the PIN setting. Click on View to open your security settings. Scroll down until you find the two-step verification section. Here, you'll see the current method you have set up, such as SMS verification. To disable it, click the Edit button next to the SMS option. Then, click on Delete next to the active two-factor method. A confirmation will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove this authentication method. Click on Remove to confirm. Once you do this, you'll see that two-step verification is no longer active on your GoDaddy account. If you ever want to enable it again in the future, you can come back to this section and click on Add Verification to set it up again. So that's basically how you can disable two-factor authentication on GoDaddy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!